Breaking news coming in from the city. A massive fire has taken place in a high-rise near Mumbai. There's a fire that has taken place at the 13th floor of the high-rise in Kalyan. Several people are feared trapped in this fire. The fire is yet to be brought under control. The cause of this fire is yet to be ascertained. Authorities working to ascertain the reason behind this massive fire that you see on your screens in a high-rise in Kalyan.
बिल्डिंग में 1703 सर 1 घंटा हुआ है। फायर की कम से कम 4-5 गाड़ी आई हुई है, पर एक भी गाड़ी का काम चालू नहीं है। और 1 घंटे के पहले काम शुरू हो जाता था तो बहुत सारा नुकसान जो होता था ना वो बच जाता था। बहुत सारा नुकसान बच जाता था।
काम आधे घंटे का है। हाँ। अगर ठीक से काम किया होता आधे घंटे में होता। जहाँ एक घर 4 घर जला वहाँ एक ही घर जलता था और जल्दी होता था।
My colleague Srishti is joining us with more details on this. Srishti, what more details do you have on this? Is this a residential building? What has happened? What caused it? And what about the people who are feared trapped inside?
Well, of course, a massive fire broke out in a high-rise building in Kalyan around 5 p.m. in the evening, and after that several agencies were called up, police were called up, fire brigade department was also called up. What people are alleging is that the fire brigade department didn't reach on time. However, now what we are coming to know importantly is that the fire is doused off. The fire broke out on the 15th floor. Allegedly, it's on the 15th floor, as well as this is due to the cylinder blast is what we are coming to know. Several people were earlier trapped, but they are now rescued, and the fire is doused off is what we can understand from our sources. Importantly, what one can understand from this entire fire incident is that all the high-rise buildings in Mumbai as well as Thane as well as Kalyan needs to be audited properly. We have reported several times on the fires which are taking place in several high-rise buildings. Importantly, the audits are not being followed is what we can understand in the high-rise buildings. Several illegal ways are being opted out by the builders as well while building the high-rise buildings, and that's what results into such kind of incident is what we can understand. However, now the fire is doused off, no casualties are reported, and the people who were stranded earlier, they are now rescued.